Hello everyone, welcome back to LeetCode. So today we are solving an important LeetCode medium problem. Remove duplicate from sorted array second. So this is in classic two-pointer approach, which is frequently appears in interviews. So I'll break it down step by step. So let's get started. So first, this is the problem, and as we do, we understand the problem statement first. So given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, remove some of duplicates in place, such that each unique element appears at most twice. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. So the problem says we have a sorted array and we have to remove the duplicates so that all the elements appear at most twice. So for that, first, what would be the brute force approach? So the simplest and the naive approach would be we can use extra space, but at the problem asking and requires in place modification, so we can't use extra space. So now let's move on optimized solution of this problem. So as we discussed, this is a classic problem of two pointer. So we will use two pointer to solve this problem. So let's code and then we'll understand. So here we will take int I is equal to 1. So I will track the position where we insert the element in existing array. Then we will create temp which will keep tracking the occurrence of the elements. So first we are assuming every element has one occurrence. Now, so this is the first pointer I, and we will create j here. Start from 1 and j less than equal to nums dot length and j plus plus. So here the two pointer I and j. I will keep track all the position where we insert the element based on the conditions and the j which will traverse the array. Now make a condition as we know in this example cases this array contains the elements, and as per the question we have to remove the elements which are more than 2. So now we will make a condition if nums j equal to nums j minus I. Now you will understand why we are doing this, because we are starting from 1, so we can check like it, it is the element is equal to the previous one, and while doing this we will be avoiding the array index of out of bound exception. So now here if this equal to, then as I told you, if this equal to, so we will use temp variable to store the occurrence of that element, and if it's not, then we will use we will make sure the temp is equal to 1 again. Okay, and after that we will make another condition which will check if temp less than equal to 2. Then if temp less than equal to 2, so what we're going to do, we will we will save and insert the element of existing array. So for that, nums I plus plus equal to nums j, and in the end we will be returning I. Let's try to run it. It's accepted, and let's submit. So yeah, it's submitted. So we return this code. Now what will be the time complexity? So we use two pointer, so the time complexity is linear, and we didn't use any kind of extra space, so we did this question in constant space complexity. So yeah, this is for today. So if you found this video helpful, just like, share and subscribe, develop NJ, and keep grinding.